name is Anya. I want to make some gluten-free chocolate cake Christmas trees. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
Make your gluten-free cake mix according to the packet. By adding your butter, milk, eggs, and oil, as well as vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Pour into a prepared pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 22 minutes. But like I said earlier, just go according to the directions on the packet. Cut out large triangles from your cake. I used my basic buttercream recipe that I added a few drops of green food coloring, and I piped stripes onto the triangles. I inserted sticks into the triangles. Then I added silver balls and sprinkles. You can do this however you want and with whatever sweets you want. I just like the look of the silver balls and the sprinkles. And enjoy some gluten-free chocolate cake Christmas treats.